Hi. This is a video how to return SIM card and pocket Wi-Fi via Postmail. Let's check it out. There are two ways how to return the SIM card and pocket Wi-Fi. One via Postmail and two via convenience store. Let's try via Postmail. Step 1. Form return preparation. Prepare envelope, smart PIC card, SIM card or pocket Wi-Fi or both, and return form. Step 2. Fill out the return form. Fill out the return form according to your personal data and the reason for the return. Step 3. Put it in the envelope. Put everything in the envelope that comes with your package. Make sure the return envelope is properly sealed before sending it. Step 4. Go find the nearest Postmail. You can find it near your home or near your office. Step 5. Drop the return envelope in red postal boxes. Don't forget to visit mashuptokyo.myshopify.com. Thanks for watching.